Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, I want to share with you an amazing deal on this DeWALT router over at CPO. Now, we do have other items included, so don't bug out if you're not interested in a router. We will talk about some other ones. Oh, and don't let me forget, I want to show you a Home Depot deal before the video is over. At the end of the video, we'll also touch base on a Home Depot deal. But check out this router deal. This is the Tool Deal Trifecta. Okay, what is that? The Tool Deal Trifecta is the lowest price, a free item, and free shipping. And that's what we have here. So it's the DeWALT Compact Cordless Router 20 volt, currently on sale at CPO for $181.99. Plus you get the free Power Stack Starter Kit. So that's the DCB 112 charger and the 1.7 amp hour Power Stack battery. And of course, CPO has free shipping on anything over $99. Now, if we look over at Home Depot, you will see the router is $199 and you do not get the free Power Stack Starter Kit. Over at Lowe's, it is $210 without a starter kit. At Tool Nut, it is $219. Again, no starter kit. And over at Acme Tools, you get a free 3 amp hour battery, but the price is $219. So check that out. $181.99, way cheaper than everyone else, plus that free Power Stack. If you don't need the Power Stack or whatever, sell it on eBay, sell it on Facebook Marketplace, and you are getting this DeWALT router for next to nothing. Show you real quick the item in my cart. You can see the $181.99, the free Power Stack, bada bing, bada boom, we get the free shipping. Everything's amazing. Now, I have that deal linked down below, and I also included a link to this in that same post because this is the other items that CPO has that come with that free Power Stack starter kit, and they have several of their items on sale. As far as items that come with the starter kit, I'm actually thinking about maybe the one-handed reciprocating saw. I might have to pull the trigger on that one for $140.99 plus that free starter kit, and you're going to get still free shipping. That's a really good deal. I already got a DeWALT bandsaw, but that wouldn't be a bad option. I feel like some of these aren't included at some of the other retailers, and I'm liking some of these sale prices. I think we got some good stuff going on here. Okay, so that link is down below. If I pull up the post on my website really quick, this link right here brings you to the full list that we were just looking at. Now I have to show you the Home Depot deal, but I got bad news. It's out of stock. I know, but here's the thing. It's gone in and out of stock several times already. Now, since we're here, let's do a little story time. The other day when I'm doing the Ace Hardware deal video, they had this nailer with, I believe it was the free Power Stack kit also, but their price was something like $329 or whatever. It was more expensive. So I thought, I really needed a nailer because I just chucked my last one. So I need a replacement. Gonna definitely go cordless. I don't want any more air tools if I can avoid it. As I'm searching to see who else, what other prices are available and who else has the Power Stack kit, I come across Home Depot, $299 with the free Power Stack kit. I'm like, I'm buying that. But I'm in the middle of doing this Ace Hardware video, so we're going to finish the Ace Hardware video, and then afterwards, I'm going to Home Depot, and I'm buying this thing, right? Get done with the Ace Hardware video, go back to the Home Depot website. It's sold out. It was not sold out when I first saw it. It was sold out a half hour later when I tried to get it. So I'm pissed. I also created a post on the website, so maybe one of you bastards bought the last one on me, but it's okay. I won't hold a grudge. Anyway, yesterday I checked the page again and it was in stock. I'm like, yes. So I bought it yesterday. And I reposted it yesterday so other people could take advantage because personally I think it's a really good deal. $299 and the Power Stack kit. If we're looking at the comparables, Tool Nut $339 no starter kit, Acme Tools $329 starter kit, Farm and Fleet $329 no starter kit. So hopefully some of you guys got to take advantage of it. I was really happy with that deal. It's out of stock like right now, but again, it's gone in and out of stock at least twice that I know of. So maybe it'll come back, maybe worth keeping an eye on. Back to the router deal at CPO. This is an amazing deal if you have any use for the router at all. And one thing about the router, that's an amazing tool to cut the cord on. I'd be all over this router deal if I didn't already own the router. Going from a router with a cord to a cordless, I don't know, I feel like that's one of like the major tools that it was really beneficial. That cord gets in the way. It's annoying. Especially you're going along and you run out of cord. It's like, oh crap. Don't got to worry about it here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.